Hello YouTube, it's a Faceless Man here, and today I have a pretty good video for you guys. Now I just want to follow up on a video previously talking about swing trading, and I want to explain Microsoft. Now, as you saw in the previous video, I told you guys that I was buying this stock at, I bought it around the 89, close to 90 mark, around this area. So again, this was about April 4th that I bought it at 90, which was about three weeks ago. So I'm going to explain how I made my profits here. And as you see right now, it's at 96.60. I sold it at 96.60. So that's where I put my limit price, and I sold off completely between here and here. So yeah, I'm going to explain real quick. Yeah, so again, I bought about 225 shares of Microsoft. It averaged about 90, so a little bit less, but I'm just gonna go up. So 90 shares, I would say I ended up investing about like 20,000. So that was about my average on buying 225 shares at 90. So in the past 3 weeks, this went up to 96.60, which I sold off. I made a $6.60 return for these 225 shares. I ended up making, what was it, $14.85. So I made about $1,485 in like 3 weeks from Microsoft. So that's pretty much how I swing trade. Now, this is not the only stock I'm investing in. I'm investing in Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, but this one's taking it a little bit longer. Coca-Cola is making me a decent return. And the good thing about these stocks is that they're dividend aristocrats. So if you don't make the right move, you can still keep them for the long term, and they're going to pay you a good dividend. And, they're not bad stocks to actually keep for the long term, because they're very profitable for the future too. So again, if you don't end up making the return right away in a good swing trade like I did, then you can still keep them and get a good dividend return. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Kind of explain to you guys the move that I did. Again, I bought the average at 90, bought 225 shares at about $20,000, and investing those $20,000 in about 3 weeks, I had a $1,485 return. And that's pretty much how I make my money, guys. So again, I made that just from this stock in 3 weeks. But like I said, I do day trade, so I make profits, I lose profits. So again, it all averages out. But again, that's how I make my money, and that's kind of a way, if you guys don't know how it works, that's pretty much how it works. So yeah, as you see, sometimes it's like a $6.60 return is not that big, but when you buy a lot of shares of something, then that's when it's, heavy. So that's how day trading works too. If you buy many shares of a stock that's like, less than $5, then you could buy a lot more and get a bigger return. So that's what you really want to look for. But again, if you're a new investor, I would recommend you guys swing trading. I don't recommend you guys swing trading a stock like this because it's a lot of money. And if you're, new investor, you should look into smaller stocks that I will be recommending soon. But again, Coca-Cola is a good one where, you can make profits. And even though you don't make profits right away, if you don't get a good swing trade in it, it's still going to give you a good return. And eventually it's going to go up and you're going to make a profit. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. If you don't use the platform, look in the link in the description down below. You'll find that it's this platform that I'm using, which is Robinhood. Again, if you sign up, you get a free stock, and I get a free stock, which is pretty cool. And it's something for you to get you started. If you haven't gotten started yet, guys, I'd recommend you guys getting started, because the stock market's always going to be the only way to go. If you want to make good money and a good return, then the market is always going to, help you with that. And if you guys also want to donate, I'm going to put my PayPal Me account down there. So, feel free to donate whatever you can, 50 cents, $1, whatever. I don't really care. I just want to set up a, scanner for you guys so it can make it easier for you guys to trade, to actually look at stocks that are very, good. I'll pretty much set you up a long watch list, or stocks that are hot at that moment. It depends what system you want to use. I want to build that platform. So If you guys can help out with that, that would be awesome. If you can't, then that's cool, whatever. I hope you guys can learn as much as you can. And I hope I'm helping you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And again, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching and peace out.